Are you looking for a high-quality home, power, or lifestyle product at the best price? Welcome to our channel. Today, we are reviewing an amazing product that is becoming very popular among buyers around the world. If you are planning to buy a reliable and useful product for your home, personal comfort, daily use, or outdoor activities, then this video will help you make the right decision. This product is one of the best-selling items in its category and has received many positive reviews from satisfied customers. People choose it because of its strong performance, modern design, useful features, and affordable price compared to similar products on the market. One of the biggest advantages of this product is its excellent build quality. It is made with durable materials that are designed to last for a long time. Whether you use it for cleaning, fitness, power backup, transportation, or home improvement, it provides stable and reliable performance. Another reason why many buyers prefer this product is its smart and user-friendly features. It helps save time, reduces effort, and improves your daily experience. This makes it a great choice for both beginners and regular users. If you are someone who always looks for the best value for money, then this product is definitely worth considering. Instead of spending more on expensive alternatives, you can get premium quality and strong performance at a much more reasonable price. If you are interested in buying this product, you can find the product link in the description. You can check the latest price, discounts, buyer reviews, and shipping details there. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more honest product reviews every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.